Hi, my name is Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about how we can treat bipolar children using herbs and supplements. The items that we're going to need in order to treat the bipolar child: first, we need a telephone in order to call a professional. Then we need to make sure that we get a variety of different supplements, vitamins, and herbs as they are appropriate for the child. So one of the first things that you should always do in order to work with your child who's been diagnosed with bipolar is contact a professional. It's very, very difficult to treat children who have bipolar, or adults for that matter, without a great deal of training in dealing with mental and emotional disorders. Herbally can definitely help with bipolar. Sometimes it can cure it, and it can be done safely along with their medications, and occasionally we can get that child off the medication if they're very compliant with the herbs. So after calling your professional, herbalist or acupuncturist or some other alternative health professional, you're oftentimes going to be able to look at a number of different supplements that are oftentimes used in cases with bipolar. So one of my first things that I like to use is a good fish oil, an omega fatty acid. And when you're looking at these, because dosages will vary based on age and weight, you should follow the advice of your professional or based on the bottle dosage that's recommended by the manufacturer. Because size of the pills and the manufacturing process will vary, the dosages will vary based on the brand name. We oftentimes also will see magnesium. This is one particular brand of magnesium citrate. This is very effective in helping with both the constipation that's associated as side effects, as well as some of the excitability and insomnia that oftentimes comes with bipolar. There's also, within Chinese medicine, there's a number of different formulas we might use. This is one that's oftentimes used called Chai Hu Longu Muliwan. And I think in any case when you're dealing with bipolar and medication, it's important to supplement with a good multivitamin that's based on both gender and age with the child. And we oftentimes find a need for B vitamins, so I oftentimes will recommend a B complex. But every case is different, so it's important to see a professional who can properly evaluate that particular child and their situation and to where they are in order to give the right supplements that are necessary, and also to avoid any potential herb-drug interactions, since many of the prescription drugs for bipolar can be very, very powerful and occasionally have interactions with some of these. So this is Bob Linde talking to you about herbal remedies for bipolar disorder in children, and be sure to contact your herbal professional to get the help that you need.